If your inbox is getting flooded with Monday.com notifications, don't worry, I'll show you how to quickly turn them off. And before we begin, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. First, log in to your Monday.com account. Once your dashboard loads, look at the top right corner and click on your profile picture or initials. From the drop-down menu, select My Profile. Now, inside your profile settings, head over to the Notifications tab. Here you'll see a full list of all the email alerts you're currently subscribed. By default, most of these are turned on, which is why your inbox feels overloaded. To fix this, simply uncheck the boxes next to the notifications you don't want. That's it. You're in control of which updates hit your email. The best part, you can come back anytime to adjust these settings as your projects and priorities change. And there you have it. Your inbox is now decluttered and you'll only get the emails that truly matter. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.